Hello guys, welcome back to Charo Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to bring back the missing phone icon in the iPhone and how to do this up. As you can see that it is not available, the phone icon is not available in the bottom corner. So we're going to talk about how to fix this up. So to do this, the first thing what you have to do is you just have to go to settings, and from here you have to go to general by scrolling a little bit, and from here you have to scroll down a little bit and go to reset. And now from here you have to click on reset home screen layout, which you have to click on this and go for reset home screen. And once after that you just have to go back to the home screen. As you can see that the phone icon is there. So this is one of the easiest step which you can try out. You don't have to get panicked when you're having this issue. Just one step ahead you can kindly fix the issue up. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. Any doubts regarding this you ask in the comment sections, we will get back to you. And this is Shahin officially signing off from Get Tips. Keep practice social distance, be safe and stay safe.